Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and running quick checks so you don't chase symptoms. First, ensure server and client clocks match. Once done, mismatch time often invalidates CSRF tokens. Next, look at session lifetime and token timeout in your app config so the expiry window is correct. Finally, inspect cookie attributes, domain, path, same site, secure, and confirm they are delivered. These steps establish a clean baseline before changing code or settings. Now you dive deeper. Reproduce the 419 error in a development environment with detailed logs so you can trace token issuance and validation. Once reproduced, audit middleware and any load balancer or proxy that may strip cookies or headers. Ensure X-forwarded proto and related headers are preserved. Then adjust token behavior, rotate tokens safely or lengthen TTL, and consider sliding sessions to refresh expiry on activity. Make sure to test every change end-to-end. Finish by validating fixes in staging and run the full authentication flows, including multi-tab and cross-origin cases, so you confirm tokens persist correctly. Once done, clear client cookies and cache and test across browsers and devices to rule out client-side caching. If the 419 persists, enable request and response capture and compare a working flow to a failing one. This reveals missing headers, cookie drops, or timing issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check time skew between nodes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.